How to lower the lift. Start by turning the lift power on. Using the remote, push the bottom left lift button up to ensure it's in place. Now press the bottom right button to open the lift. Once it is open, press the top right button to lower the lift. Make sure the vehicle is on a flat surface so the yellow hoist tail opens out. Put the wheelchair on as far forward as possible. Apply wheelchair brake. Once the wheelchair is in place, press top left button to raise the lift. Once it is raised, you can roll the wheelchair into the vehicle. Once wheelchair is safely in, press the bottom left button to fold the lift back in. Return the remote to its place, clear the cord, and switch the lift power off.